Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut lime pound cake. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Lightly grease a 9x5 inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour. You can use cake or all-purpose. I'm using cake flour because it gives the pound cake a lighter texture. Baking powder and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on medium speed for 5 minutes. Don't beat it on high speed. Then add in the eggs one at a time. Make sure they're at room temperature. And beat really well after adding each one. Then add in the lime zest and lime juice, and mix them in until they're combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and coconut, and mix them by hand until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Level out the top, and bake it in the oven for about an hour until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto the cooling rack and set it aside for now. To make the lime glaze, in a small bowl, sift in the powdered sugar and add in the lime zest and lime juice. Start with 2 teaspoons and mix them until they're combined. Then continue adding more lime juice, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it forms a thick, smooth glaze. Then drizzle the glaze all over the top of the pound cake. Then let it sit for about 20 minutes until the glaze hardens. Then slice it up and serve. And that's how to make a coconut lime pound cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like, and be sure to check out my channel for more videos and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.